Are you looking for a peaceful cafe that's actually good for studying? Perfect itong Overdose Cafe here in Ayala Mall, Circuit, Makati. Pagpasok mo pa lang, maaamoy mo na agad yung warm pastry aroma nila, super relaxing ng place, plus may free wifi and sockets pa, so perfect for studying, working, or catch-up moments with friends. One thing I also loved is deaf yung staff nila. So if hindi ka marunong mag-sign language, you can simply communicate through your phone when ordering. They serve your orders sa table mo, and we tried their chocolate chip cookie crisp, and honestly, ang hirap niyang tigilan. Super thin and bite-sized niya, pero grabe yung crispy texture and satisfying crunch every bite. Hindi rin siya overly sweet, but you'll still taste that rich chocolate flavor. Gets ko na rin kung bakit gone in seconds yung vibe neto, kasi habang kumakain ka, hindi mo namamalayan, paubos na pala yung isang tub. Then we paired it with their hazelnut coffee. Hindi siya masyadong matapang, may slight sweetness lang, but you can still taste the hazelnut flavor really well. Perfect din ito for sharing, gifting, or kahit study sessions lang. So if you're looking for a cafe with comforting vibes, good coffee, and dangerously addictive cookie crisp, Overdose Cafe is definitely worth checking out.